What's going on, gang? Medical cannabis was just rescheduled. So we got the news we wanted, rescheduling happened, but of course, in this sector, there is always a curveball. So the curveball in this case was that the order that was signed today is really just impacting medical cannabis. So let's take a look at what we had here. Let's take a look at the verdict. This is from Boris Jordan. He's the CEO of Curaleaf, and he put this out on Twitter. Thank you, President Trump and acting AG Todd Blanche, for getting medical cannabis rescheduled. So, medical cannabis is rescheduled effective immediately. So, those businesses operating that space, they no longer have to worry about 280E tax. So, their cash flows are going to go up, earnings are going to go up. And then also in the final rule, it was saying that retroactively, they might have to not have to worry about those taxes. So those unpaid tax liabilities that we're racking up on all these companies, this could actually be a really good thing for those tax liabilities. But the bottom line, the kicker, is that yeah, he's thanking them for getting this work done on medical cannabis. But then as you can see here, cannabis sold under state issued medical licenses will be reclassified under Schedule 3 with an ALJ hearing on adult use licensed cannabis businesses to come. So apparently that hearing for even getting recreational cannabis rescheduled is going to happen in June, which is literally 2 months away, not far at all. So why I think this is a good thing in the bigger picture is because the big concern was they're going to drop the final rule, then Smart Approaches to Marijuana is going to step in, bada bing, bada boom, they're going to get the final rule overturned. And that's what we don't want. We don't want like no more progress, no more prospect of reform, no prospect of uplisting. We really just want this to get done. And if it's like, if it gets done in a sloppy way right now that gets overturned, that's a lot worse than it getting done in really like a foolproof way that maybe takes a few months or, worst case scenario, 6 months, whatever it ends up being. So we got one win, which was medical immediately. But then, yeah, we still have that dangling carrot where there's going to be an ALJ hearing.